Brazy fam, what's good with y'all? It's your boy Kitty Brazy in the spot. Don't make it hot, and I'm back again with another video, aka Chef Brazy in the spot. Don't make it hot, as y'all can see at the title. Your boy about to chef it up in the kitchen real quick. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. Make sure you join the Brazy fam for me.
You say you tired of dealing with my shit, so you dipped and you went and found another lover. Too bad that other nigga can't compete when he's sleeping. You come and see me undercover. I know it's complicated.
Alright, and we back in action for me. So today we cooking, as you see at the title, curry chicken. Real Yardman curry chicken. Chef Boy Yardie.
Chef Boy Yardie.
Feel me? Alright, so boom. I got my green pepper, tomato, thyme, scallion. You need onion. What me I gotta do first is I gotta cut up my seasoning first. Yo, bro, why do people never wash their dishes, bro? So me personally, I like to cut on this side and not the other side, because for me, if you cut on this side and you slice your finger, I know y'all seen it in the past vlogs, I never cut my finger. I'm just letting y'all know that. I wish I had my other knife to cut, but hey man, gotta work with what we gotta work with, for me.
Ay, no, I can't lie to you. Won't shed a tear if you leave me, girl, I won't cry for you. Only sign my emotions if needed, I'm inside of you. I keep it real for some reason, that shit surprising you. You been fucking with dudes that never told you the truth, no. Fucking with dudes that never told you the truth, no. Fucking with dudes that never told you the truth, no. Fucking with dudes that never told you the truth.
Now we're gonna start on the tomato. Make sure y'all always wash y'all vegetables, cause you don't wash your vegetables and you cutting this, bro, you might get sick. And I just want to let y'all know that now.
No, I can't lie to you and tell you that you mine. I've been tired of fighting, girl, I'm trying to find a way. Tryna fuck these thoughts and count this guap, I'm living life. I only told you once, I'm not gon' say it twice. Won't say it twice, girl, please don't blow my heart. Hard for me to decide, should I dub you or make it right? But I can't waste no time like it's a game of rolling dice. You feel away, but I can't lie, but girl, I hate to see you cry. You saw my true colors, but I left you colorblind. Try to paint me different, but the real you acting nice. You got me moving different, my feelings in disguise. You had me in my bag, was in my bag like school supplies. No, I can't lie to you, won't shed a tear if you leave.
Oh shit.
Look at you tripping.
Oh, you got the camera. How much that cost, bro?
More than your life.
Bro, you know how much my life is worth, bro?
I don't know, you told me.
I like it, bro. You put the good work, bro. You gonna be a top team, bro. I'm telling you, bro. And you gonna remember me, bro.
It's a lot of dick riding.
So boom, this is how my seasoning came out. For me, you got the thyme, you got the scallion, you got the onions, you got the green peppers, you got the tomato. Feel me? All that seasoning in one bunch. Feel me? But if I feel like there's ever a time where I feel like I need to add more, I will definitely add more. Next, we on to the chicken. Grab you a pack of chicken thighs. Feel me? What's up, Tony? All right, Brazy fam. We got these big ass chicken thighs. Feel me? So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut these into smaller pieces. So, cause like me, when I get food like this back home, shout out to Ma Dukes for me. After you cut up your chicken into how many ever pieces you wanted it to be cut up in, for me, you gotta wash your meat. Got my bowl right here. For people who say they don't wash their meat,
Okay.
feel me? So boom. We on to washing the meat now. The bacteria, for me. So get that nice and lighted up for me. Gotta make sure everybody getting lemon juice. Then after you get all the, after you put all your washing, your lemon juice or whatever, you can use lemon juice, vinegar, feel me? You can put that. Hello, when you're gonna pour this out, feel me? So after you do that, feel me, you go after you wash off your lemon juice on the meat, it's time for the seasoning. So what I got for you boys is adobo, mixed dash, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. The big ingredient, curry powder. You see that? Feel me? So we're gonna start with the bad boy right here first. We're gonna start off with the black pepper.
Hold on, I can't find the key. Don't believe I'm what you need. She used to wanna be easy. Girl, I'm really in these streets. Pop these perks so I could sleep. Having thoughts about you and me. Don't know where I wanna be. Don't know where I wanna. Don't know where I wanna. If you want, then you can leave me. She just wanna receive me. So I beat it like a Mike Jack. Humble nigga, but I'm beastie. I get beastie in the bedroom, get me head on. In the front with extra leg room. If she freaky, fuck her in the restroom. If your friends down, bring your friends too. Dior Louis Vuitton, that's what she want. Off this pack, I'm numb. I know it's wrong. Can't express the way I feel unless it's in a song. She don't wanna fuck no more, she say I'm taking long. You be up your girlfriend, that's more than her fucking thumb. She rather be here with me, cause this where she belong. She belong, that's where she belong. That's where she belong, that's where she belong. Even if I love you, I'ma tell you that I don't. Said she down to ride for me, but I know that she won't. Ain't tryna get married, ain't tryna propose. Married to this money, fuck your relationship goals.
Could smell that aroma. Alright. I feel like I need a little bit more. And yes. All that. Like, look at that. Look at that beauty. Your boy, you have to rub your seasoning. I'm doing this without gloves because my hands are clean. If y'all don't believe my hands are clean, I'm gonna go wash it for y'all. See? Don't want nobody in my comments talking about, oh, Brazy ain't washed his hands when he was cleaning meat and when he was rubbing chicken. Right? Feel me? So, boom.
How you gonna talk about me? You don't even know about me. I wanna get paid just to talk about it. They gon' care if they know you walk without it. They want Brazy for a check. Oh, wanna sex me cause I'm next. This game is all about respect. That's why I'm not but like the rest. How you gonna talk about me? You don't even know about me. I wanna get paid just to talk about it. They gon' care if they know you walk without it. They want Brazy for a check. Oh, wanna sex me cause I'm next. This game is all about respect. That's not why I'm like the rest. Let's slow it down. Like that, let me express my pain real quick. Most hated, I'm just trying to be the greatest. I'm just making a statement, a boy on TV, rocking the latest.
Alright, after you rub all your meat in, then you add your veggies. Feel me? And then you rub those in as well.
Ain't shit changed, I know. That money in the bank, I know. There's some fun names, I know. That this in the bank, I know. That blouse in the bank, I know. Look straight to the head, I know. Look straight to the head, I know.
Alright, and we back. We got our pot, feel me? So, let me show y'all what we working with here. Ton, no? Feel me? We got our pot right there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some minced garlic. And instead of me using oil, I'm gonna use butter. it is. So feel me? Don't beat the hustle. Feel me? So we're gonna add some butter with the minced garlic to the pot, and then what you want to do is you want to add curry because you're gonna make gravy. Understand? Gravy. So I'm gonna let it sizzle a little bit, but yeah, I'm gonna add the curry. Not too much, a little bit, but not too much. Feel me? I'm gonna just let that bubble. You're gonna wait for the curry and everything else to start bubbling, and you don't want the curry to burn out, so you're gonna mix it with your spoon. Feel me? So I'm gonna just watch the pot, just watch the match. Aroma. The bubbling, you feel me? I'm just letting the butter start melting in first, and then we're gonna start adding water to our curry. But like I said, you don't want the curry to burn out, so you're gonna add some water. Feel me? And while that is there, bubbling and simmering, you're gonna wait for that. So we're gonna wait for that. But we're gonna work on a new shorty, for me. Her name Ty. I'm lying. Jasmine. Ty Horn Molly. Feel me? We're gonna put her. So shout out to Win. Shout out to Gang. He gave us a rice cooker. So he said he wants us to cook it in the rice cooker. So what we're gonna do is wash our rice now, and we're gonna throw this bad boy in the cooker. We're gonna let this joint bubble up. It smells so good. So it seems like we could add our meats in now. One thing I also learned as well is that we, as Jamaicans, we do not waste seasoning. So you see all of this right here? What we're going to do is add some water, swish it around, and put it in the pot. Alright, we back. For me, we back in action. So, I'm not taking this over my hand. No. So what I'm gonna do now is add some breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. You see that? Yeah, breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna add the breadcrumbs to thicken the gravy. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, y'all gonna see. So I want y'all not to watch me, just look at how much I'm adding. Nope. So it seems like from the looks of it, that thing hot in the belly. I don't think y'all see that. Look at the greatness behind that. You see that? Bubble, bubble, yeah, bubble, bubble, yeah, bubble, bubble, yeah, bubble. Alright, give y'all a little taste test for me. I don't know why my camera don't want me to look at me. Just look at me, eh? Work with me. Nah, I think I won. I did that. I did that. Woo. So not all of the water from the rice has dried out, but rice is looking good so far for me. I'm just give it a little bit more time to cook up for me. Letting that cook a little bit. I like my cutting board, man. It says work hard, nap harder, and then it says me watching a drama. Ah! Damn! 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 Fuck it, get out of Damn! 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 Alright, Brazy fans, so we just finished cooking or whatever, so we just made curry chicken. I don't know if y'all understand the words coming out my mouth, because I know there's some backward people that say chicken curry. It's not chicken curry. I'm going to tell y'all that's the right way. It's the curry chicken, because you know what? What you put in the pot first is the curry, because the curry got to burn, and then you got to add the water to it to make the gravy, then you got to add the chicken, so it's curry chicken. If anybody wants to have this debate with me, we're not having this debate, because I will violate you, like I said. But like I said, we just finished cooking, so the boy about to go grub up, about to go eat. I already know it's good because your boy chef made it. So like I said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Make sure y'all join Brazy Fam Road to 1,000 subscribers for me. I love each and every guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.
I don't got options, niggas that hate me. Either cause they mad cause they ain't me, or I fuck the bitch they callin' baby. I ain't scared to die but I move safely. Know my mama praying for my safety. Ballin' till the Lord decided to take me. Someone better than me, no it can't be. Foreign whip through the dash, Stacy. I been getting to the bag lately. I ain't really tryna talk, pay me. Perky Bussy got me going crazy.